Chapter 1. Introduction. The Myth of Fast Money. What if I told you that becoming wealthy in the stock market does not require daily trading, complicated indicators, or constant screen time? Today, we are exploring the story and mindset of Warren Buffett, an investor who built extraordinary wealth through patience, discipline, and long-term thinking. This is not he thinks like a business owner. Rule number 1. Understand the business. Buffett only invests in businesses that are simple and easy to understand. He believes that if you cannot clearly explain how a company makes money, you should not invest in it. That is why companies. Rule number 3. The power of compounding. Some lucky genes and compound interest. Time.